This is Super Bowl Sunday morning. We've got Annie, Bingo, Shadow, Rosie, and Remy. Whole house of little dogs. Bingo! 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 And of course, as always, Blaze in the background.
Yeah.
Just so you can get an idea of what Ralph's got going on here. Bingo. Bingo. Go get Annie. Go get Annie. He's squirming loose. There you go. These four little dogs. Remy, Rosie, Bingo, and Shadow all are in the same family. Annie.